Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to be show you that how you can convert a large video file into a small video file without losing their quality. I'm going to show you a video. You can see its size. It is 212 MB and its resolution is in front of you. Yeah. I mean 8% complete हो चुका है. Now to convert this large video file into a small video file without losing its original quality, you need to download a software. I will give a link in the description below of this video. From there you can download it easily. So you need to go to Google Chrome and type Handbrake. Okay, it's a free and open source software. You need to open the first link, click on download Handbrake and click on start download. I have already downloaded this file, so I'm not going to download it. Simply I will go to the downloaded directory and I will install. Okay, next install, finish. Now open Handbrake, go to your file. Okay, click and drag your file here. Click on web optimized and don't do anything. Simply start encode. Okay, it will take some time to convert, so you need to wait for it. Now the file is successfully converted. Now go to your output directory. Choose और हमारे पास कर सकते हैं. इस पे डबल क्लिक. Same as the first one. Now check its size again, and you can see the size is reduced to 16.5 MB from 212 MB. So it is a big difference, a very big difference. Okay, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon to enjoy the latest updates. Thank you.